Mr. Agbamu Idanobrene. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a dynamic multi-choice question using the Microsoft Word. And you know what multi-choice questions mean? That is the objective question, the one we usually call the OBJ question. You can make it dynamic in your classroom, depend on your target or your objective in your class. For example, let's say I have a question and I want to make it a multi-choice question. Let's say I have something like, let's say question number 1. Let's say what is the, let's say square root. Let's say what is the square root of, let's say for example, 9. If this is a question and you want to create options, OBJ option. So, and you want to make it dynamic. So how do you do that? So let's move on. You know, the next thing you now create option A, you put the answer just like that, then the children will select. But if you just want to make it dynamic in your classroom, just make it a little bit fun in your class. How do you do that? So you can do it using the FFX in your system and integrate it into your Microsoft Word. So to do that now, this is where I want to type the options now. So I need to go to my FFX, just click on the FFX. Make sure you open the FX draw and FX equation in your system. You can see it here. This FX equation is opened. Then this is FX draw is open. You must open it before you do anything dynamic in your Microsoft Word. So I've opened it. So I want to type my options here. So I click on FX equation. You will now take us to the page. So in FX equation, I'll come to parameter here. You can see edit dynamic parameters. Click on it. Then to get your parameter, you get your $sign. You know, it's in your keyboard, which is Shift 4. You see the $sign. Then I want to define this parameter as, let me take a letter, let's say letter A. All right. So letter A equals to, let me create some values now. That is, you open your bracket and close letter A, which is at the answers now. So this is square root. Now let the correct answer must be the first number you put here. So 3 is there, comma. Then you can put other options you want to put. Let's say 3, let's say 9, let's say 1, let's say maybe 4. But the correct answer must be the first one you assign here. So that is in that. Then you can take OK now. All right. Then you now come to this place. You put in the options now. So option A is you bring the $sign now, which is this. You see the way it came out as this. Yeah, but what I actually want is I want only one option to be here. So you use your keyboard. You take this kind of bracket in your keyboard, then type 1 inside. You can see, since the first number I put in my parameter here, since it's 3, so I said make it 1. You can see 3 is the first one. That's why it came out 1 here, just like that. Then we go down to option B. Then you get your $sign A. You can see all of them here, but I want only the second one to be here. Then just like that, you get your C, then you get your $sign A, then you use this and we call it 3. Okay, we call it 3. Yeah. Then the last option, let's say option D, get your $sign A, put your bracket, we call it 4. So these are my options now. So I think we are good to go. Then you click on OK here to come to Microsoft. So you can see it. You can see that what is the square root of 9? So the answer is A, which is 3. Then we have other options like B, C, and D that are wrong. But the dynamic nature is this now. If I want to make this dynamic now, that means I want to change the answers. If I don't want A to be 3, I can put A in C or in B. Just click on this. Then you click regenerate. Oh, it's not showing here. Let me see. No regeneratable parameters. Okay. I think there's something I missed. Let's edit it. I missed to add something to this parameter I defined. So you click on this, click on edit. You come back. There's something I forgot here. So I didn't define this as a multi-choice question. So because I want it to be a multi-choice answer, I need to put multi here. M-U-L-T-R. I forgot to put this. That's why regenerate did not appear. So parameter A here is equals to multi, then you put the options here, then okay. Before you do all this, I just did. So let me test it before I move to Microsoft. If you come to this place, see regenerate parameter values. If you click on it, you can see it has changed. So the correct answer is now C. If you click on this again, see it has changed. The correct answer is B now. If you click on this, see it has changed just like that. So this is what I want to achieve. So now that I've achieved it here, I can now go to my Microsoft, click on this, just like that. Then make sure you save your work, Control S. So I've saved now. All right. So I've saved it now. Now that I've saved it, then I can regenerate. Now just click on this. You can see regenerate is highlighted now. Then click on it and give it some minutes. So it has changed now. So the correct answer is D now. If you want to change the position of the option, click on it again, regenerate. It takes some minutes. Then okay. Alright, you click on it again, regenerate. Let's see. So it has changed now. The correct answer is C. So this is how you keep changing it just like that. Then before I go, you may want to put the answer. For example, if I want to get the answer of these options now, so let's go down. Let's just type in correct answer. Let's say equals to. So correct answer is equals to. Then you go back again to your fx equation. Tap on this. Get your $sign A. So we say this is the correct answer. Then you tap on this. So it's now here. Okay. Okay, I've typed this now. So I need to define it now because now I've not defined this to this. So I can't get my correct answer now. So, but I've not really assigned the correct answer to this. Let's go back to edit. Just click on it. Okay, let me edit it and check. All right, so I need to put this one. So you need to put this in. Since in my parameter, the first number is the correct answer, I put it in the first one, which is A. Then I tap this. So this need to be assigned. I need to assign this value into this. So what I need to do, you tap on this one, make sure you copy the parameters, you copy, then come and tap on this, then paste it. Yes. You can see that the correct answer is D. You can see which is square root of 9 is 3. So if you click on this, click on regenerate, it will change again. Yeah. So you can see that B is the correct answer and it's reflected in this place. Correct answer is B. So in this way, you can make your multi-choice question, that's your objective question, dynamic by doing it like this. Click on this. See, it's now D now. You can regenerate again just like that. Then let it come up. Okay. You can see now. So the correct answer is A now. And see it, which is correct answer is A. So this is how you can create your dynamic document using the Microsoft Word, and make sure you have your FFX installed in your system, and make sure you open FX draw and FX equation down before this dynamics stuff can work for you. So if you have this, you can type so many questions you want, define it the way I just did it. Make sure you define the parameter and type the OBJ options out like this. Then if you want to check the answer, make sure you define it the way I did it, and just click on this, tap on regenerate. You will keep changing it, and this is what we mean by dynamic multi-choice question in Microsoft Word. So that is all I have for this video. The answer is now C. So thank you so much for watching. Do have a nice day.